How to become a millionaire. Step by step. Today, I want to share a powerful idea that helped me become a millionaire at 35 years old. Often, people think making money quickly is a bad thing. You might have heard about get rich quick and been told it's not a good idea. But here's the truth. You should aim to get rich quickly because time matters more than the amount of money you make. Let's take an example. If you earn $45,000 each year and work for 30 years, you'll have made $1 million. Sounds good, right? But are you rich? Not really, because it took 30 years to reach that million. Now imagine making that same million, but within 1 year. Are you rich now? Absolutely. The difference is the time it took to make that money. When you make money faster, you get more time to enjoy it. Instead of waiting until you're older to enjoy your wealth, why not have more time to enjoy it now? Consider this. What if you earned $1 million every year? That's 12 times richer than earning $1 million a year and way richer than someone who earns $45,000 annually for 30 years. Here's the key. Rich people value time more than just money, while others focus more on money than time. For example, I don't handle small issues with my car because my time is more valuable. I focus on things that bring in more money instead. You might say, it's easy for you. You're already rich. But that's not true. I became rich when I started valuing my time. So, do you want to get rich quickly or take a slow approach? Do you have the time for a slow approach? If you're serious about getting wealthy faster, start now.